Nice.
Hey, my name is Nala like the Lion King, and this is DBNaila, done by Nala. Alright, so, obviously you guys gave me those likes. I appreciate it. Thank you so much, and thank you for joining my premiere thing. I'm going to finish this painting. Entirely. I'm trying new styles. I want to, keep, challenging myself. I don't want to keep, painting the same way. So I try to do a way, kind of like oil paint, how I do a lot of, strokes so you can really see it. I don't know. It's kind of like a patchy color. And I'm sorry, y'all. No ashmere today. The same palette. I've been using these plastic sheets. Let me tell y'all. I recycle like crazy, okay? These. I've been using the Shrinky Dink paper for my plastic palette. I'm not making any more Shrinky Dink. All I did was just take this thing, cut a hole in it, and put some double-sided tape from the Valentine's cards. Yeah, I repurpose everything around here. Everything. Yeah. So, shall I flip this over? Maybe I shouldn't have done it like that. It's okay. I think maybe I can get flipping it over if I kind of piece it together like a puzzle, like this, but backwards. I can do this and tape it together. Okay, just give me a second. You guys. Let's do some surgery. Gotta watch Five Jack. Okay, maybe I can piece it like this and just put tape on top of it. This tape always scares me. Hey! Making progress, y'all. Okay, we did it. I fixed it. Yeah, this worked, right? Sort of. See? Look at this. Working together. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and fill her up with some paint. Well, the same colors we had before, because I listen. No, I'm lying, y'all. I'm gonna actually get my own purple, because it's not really showing the purple I want to show, and it's kind of hard to mix purple how you want to mix it without, making it into, a chemist section. I want this to be more purpley, and I want this to be more pinky, so I'm gonna keep a purple. Okay, you know what? Guys, should I use this purple? This is deep violet. Or should I use brilliant purple? Yeah, I don't know. Light, fast pigments. I'm gonna use this, the darker purple. And do I have a pink? Can I get a hot tub? Ooh, I'm gonna use these two. And then I think I have some blue left. Remember I told you guys I was low on blue. Is it kind of blue? I don't want to cheat and use this. I want a blue. And this is kind of light, but no. Gotta get white. Gotta get black. No, not brown. I'm not cheating. Oh, I forgot I have these little blues. Haha! Recyclable queen! Ultramarine. Okay, so those are the blues. And then I need a red. Oh, got my red. I need my black. I think my bad boy is right over here. This is nice glossy black, which I don't like, because this one's too glossy for me. I ain't with it. Okay, I'm here now. I'm gonna go clean these brushes. Look how terrible I've treated these. Look. I'm gonna be right back.
2 hours later.
Okay, I'm back. I cleaned everything. I saved this many brushes. I only had to kill 2. But, yay. The one that I beatboxed on the side here, yeah, it's still soaking. I got my brushes. The brush I'm going to use, I think this one, my favorite one with the tape on it, because the wood cracked, because I let these soak in water all the time. And I also need a small detailing brush. This is absolutely adorable. Alright, and then also this one. So I got my 3. Babadoo babadee. There's a lot of disgusting paint on the sides of this and I want to throw up. Oh, it's still sticky. I'm gonna tape this up because I don't want to feel that ever again in my life. I want to gag. Haha! Okay. Yeah, no sticky. Alright. I almost dropped everything. Y'all see this? This is a cart. This is another cart. This is my table. This is what I'm doing, right? This is my table. And I tried to move it, and everything shifted, and guess what? Floop. And all my paints are on the floor. I'm getting too old for this, you guys. Oh my gosh. Okay. That's it. Found it. Here we go. Okay, I'm not doing this again. Not gonna play me no more. Beautiful. I just love smearing it with this palette knife. Just go stupid. Alright, I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clean my brush because I need some more skin tone. Too much going on here. I'm gonna reestablish this chin here. Yeah. There we go. Better. Much better. Alright, so I'm gonna come back in. I'm gonna put a little more pink into Jules' skin and more white. And I'm gonna come back in and I'm gonna start like kind of lighten it. Yeah, there we go. That's nice. So if I will come down here to lighten that area up like that. Whoop. Right? No? No? Tell me these things, y'all. Let me know if I'm like messing up. We're good. It's working. It's working. Okay. So we have some stuff. So I'm gonna go keep adding a little bit more white just to lighten it back up again once again. There's like a little highlight down here only because it's the peak of the chin, but not like a big amount. Okay, I'm gonna come in. Okay, there we go. That was actually the color I wanted. Okay. I'm gonna go for a smaller brush eventually, y'all. So just because it looks really ambitious now, I am going for a smaller brush. Just wait on it. Like before, I was coming at this very like abstract, like I'm not gonna think too hard on it, and here I am thinking hella hard on this. Like also they come in here like that, which is fine. Yeah, it's just really dark here, so I can't help but to want to put it there. There we go, there we go. Don't be afraid, no, don't be afraid. Okay, I should have been afraid. I think Jules looks good for right now. I like it a lot. Eye here like that. Also, I just want to reassert this little boobity boop there. Wow. Alright, so we got boobity boobity boop, which is good. I didn't have Zendaya's lash, so maybe like just a little like that. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and get into the hair once again, like I said I wanted to do. I got my pink, and I'm gonna come in with this hair. So I'm actually getting really comfortable, like really comfortable with acrylic again. So like I'm trying to make it like really loose painting, not like super strict and like, oh my god, I don't want to go off this line. But I'm really OCD when it comes to painting, so I tend to go back and forth a lot, trying to make that perfect stroke. Hypocritical, I know. Honestly, I have so much fun with Jules' hair. It just feels so good, kind of like freeingly going into each strand and things like that. I had wait, not Rue. Gosh, I'm getting mixed up already. If you guys didn't know, Rue was to the right with the bluish dark hair, and then Jules is to the left with the whitish hair. Rue was played by Zendaya, so I kind of switched back from Zendaya and Rue a lot. I don't know. I think it's like August is Jules' name? Hunter. That's what it was. But yeah, those two. And if you didn't watch Euphoria, that's how you know which is who. Because I'm going to be referring to those names, honestly. So, okay, going on a tangent here. Sorry. Had a really hard time figuring out how I want to play these backgrounds because Rue has a bluish tint in the background and I wanted to give Jules the pinkish purplish tint, but I keep forgetting that because Rue has brown, really dark brown hair, it was hard for me to play like that blue into that, so I had to basically end up covering all that beautiful blue up, which is kind of like a darker, softer color, so I can start layering my colors. The best thing I think too with acrylics that I can like kind of layer back and forth. But yeah, I'm posting this Wednesday. I think I already seen the last Sunday episode. I didn't watch it, so I'm gonna refer to the episode before that. But yes, that episode with Rue kind of going off, and honestly, I don't know, I felt really bad for Rue because I feel like, did you guys notice what the mom said? If you were watching Euphoria, did y'all notice what the mom said? She was like, you're a bad person. I don't know, that just kind of cut me deep. I mean, like, that's like a really thing for a mother to say to a daughter, you know. It's just kind of like, it was just really, I don't know, it was harsh. Honestly, it was harsh, and I was just kind of like, I would have reacted. Not as boldly, but that would have hurt me, you know. I feel like parents aren't supposed to give up on you. I don't know. It's kind of like, although she was freaking out, but you shouldn't have said she's a bad person. You could have said she's a hurt person. You know, she's going through things, you know, she needs more help. You know, like, anything like that. That's like calling someone weak or, like, pathetic. You know what I mean? Like, it's just really disrespectful. I don't know. It hurt my soul, like, you know what I mean? But that's why I sympathize for Rue a lot. Now, Jules, I don't know, in her position, I probably would have told the mother as well. I mean, since Jules really does care for Rue, I would be kind of afraid as well. But I don't know, the new guy that came in, why did he do that? I wouldn't have told her. I mean, especially because he doesn't even have a loyalty like that. I mean, like, do y'all really want to complicate things? Because you already complicate things. I don't know. But I mean, after what Rue said in the car to Jules about, I can't stand it, that was rough. Either way, I think their characters are so complex. Like, their love story is just so weirdly complex, like, for real. I can't even dive into it fully. When I thought about the love, like, heartbreaking love stories, I automatically thought of Rue and Jules, because I knew they could never work out, honestly. If I'm being honest, they're like polar opposites, and Rue needs a lot more than what Jules can give, in a sense. I don't know, I just felt for it. I was just like, oh, poor thing, poor thing. As I get back into the painting part, I'm trying to figure out how I can show their kind of personality and just stuff through the actual painting itself. I don't know. It's just a really complicated show. I can't really, like, dive that deep into. I don't want to spoil things. But honestly, also, if you guys didn't notice, I have done Rue's face like 3,000 times because I'm trying to perfect Zendaya's face. I was like super obsessed with her like back in like high school, like Shake It Up. You guys know. If you guys don't know, you guys will just look it up, Shake It Up. But I was just so obsessed. I was like, oh my god, it's a black girl with curly hair. I'm just like, oh, I relate to her, and she's tall. And like, I don't know if y'all realize, but I'm 5'9.5". Yeah, my husband says I'm 5'10". But I'm 5'9.5", so it's really cool to have yourself represented into like society. So I was like a huge fan of Zendaya. So I was just like, I'm finally doing a piece of her. Cause like it was like Rihanna. I love Rihanna because she got a big forehead, just like me. So I can't help but to just paint my idols. And it's Black History Month. Why not still, you know? But that's why I kind of like was like overly obsessed. I'm like, I have to make sure her face is perfect. But yeah, I just really do like it's hard because certain shows you really do fall in love with characters and you just feel so genuinely sad about it. Because I mean, like, this is like really real life stuff, you know? That's why I always say, like, we know what we're talking about when we say we're feeling something. So
acknowledge our feelings.
I'm sorry. That was a pep talk. Acknowledge everyone's feelings and realize that they're reacting. It's all reaction. So that's why I always speak about that. But yeah, I just honestly, as I slowly start painting this, I fall more in love with the painting. And it's weird because I usually don't paint this in depth, like, of different people. Like, as you guys notice, I paint myself usually all the time. So for me to paint someone else, it's wild. It's very wild. I'm ready for this. Are you ready for this? I'm ready for this, but are y'all ready for this? I'm not sure if I want to varnish it or put matte over it. I'm not sure. I think I want to go for like a glossier look, so I may down the road put that gloss on it. But whoop-pow! Look at this, you guys. I think it's so cool because it's so big. It just kind of works, you feel me? Yeah, so I think overall this was really cool. Somehow I made it more realistic than I expected. I wanted to like be kind of like impressionist kind of a little bit. I'm gonna do more of these, so it depends. Maybe I could do more of these. All I'm saying is next month is going to be a free month for me, and if you want me to continue with the next idea I want to do for the last February, I think you guys should like it up. I'm gonna go for 70. 70 likes. Is that too much, you guys? 70 likes. We were 50 last time. Y'all have been giving me 60. So I'm going to follow the trend. I'm going to go with 70 likes. If you guys can give me that tomorrow, I will continue to do another piece. I'm thinking Phantom of the Opera because I asked you guys to comment on my post where I asked you guys what are some legendary heartbreaks, basically. And I got a lot of people. We have Green Mile, Fatal Attraction. Oh, Manny's backstory when he lost his wife and kid from Ice Age. Phantom of the Opera. I was in love with this option, honestly. I mean, I literally used to sing the whole, like, I have the album and everything. Me and my grandmother like went to New York one time, which is her home place, and we went to go see Phantom of the Opera when I was little in the opera, and it was fantastic. Fantastic. Okay, also I know you guys are like, wait a minute, where's the Valentine's stuff? Yes, I know, it's right here. Keep an eye out for a video coming out very soon. I'll explain everything, okay? And they're probably like, she's not even live stream. I'm like, I know. Just give me some grace. I'm gonna explain everything. Just keep a lookout. So I will see you guys maybe in a day.
Why would I listen to you?
Maybe, I don't know. But I'll see you guys soon, and please thank you for all your support. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, all of that good stuff. And I will see you guys real soon. Don't forget.
Finally! I've been trying to catch you boys all day! Now that I've got you right where I want you!
Like and subscribe.